Wildcats. Today we're going to talk about understanding perfect squares and then talking about square roots. What we're going to do is we're going to draw as many different size squares as we can, and we're going to color them in the center of each square. We're going to write in the grid blocks to create that square. So as an example, if you'll notice, we have 3 units here, 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3. This is making up 9 total blocks. However, what we know here is we're actually going to create a list of products and then what their perfect square will be. So in this case, a perfect square, a 3 by 3 would equal a perfect square of 9. Knowing this information is helpful so that we can figure out what are all the perfect squares. Listed for us is 1 by 1. That means I'm going to have 1 unit in length and 1 unit in width. And if I color that square in, having a 1 by 1 unit, it takes up a total of 1 square. That's why we have 1 times 1 equals 1. If I tried a new number, let's try the number 2. 2 times 2 would give me how many squares? Well, I'm going to use the length right here. If I have 2 by 2 and I fill in that amount to make up a perfect square, that perfect square contains 4 squares. Using this same pattern, you're going to come up with a list of perfect squares using the amount 1 through 12. Once you're done with this, what do you notice about the squares you drew and the column above?